Hi, my name is Supriya Das Francis and I am here to make your maths learning easy. I know math is the challenging subject for most of the students and they find tables to be very challenging to by heart. Now, what is the solution? The solution lies with Vedic math, and in Vedic math is a method which helps children do operations of sums like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in a super easy way. Once if you practice this Vedic math method, you will be confident about your answers and you will be rest assured that you don't need to check your answer. So your scoring will increase, your confidence will increase. Today in this session, we are going to learn to multiply any number with 999. Basically, these kind of bigger multiplication is useful for grade 4, grade 5, grade 6 and even grade 7 students. And the method which we are using, that will help you even in algebra. So if you happen to be a school student, please be focused. And if you want to learn along with me, please grab a paper and a pen and come along. So in this series of 9, today we are going to learn how to multiply any number with 999. Now, I take 5, 4, 8, 7 and I am multiplying it with 999. If you are the person who has seen my old videos, who has seen my previous videos, they will understand how we convert 9. The method is 10 minus 1. In 99, when we were multiplying any number with 99, we converted it into 100 minus 1. Now this is 999. 999 is close to 10,000. Sorry, 1,000. So I'm going to write, this is 999. For these 3 9, we'll write 0, 3 zeros and 1, and I'm going to minus 1 this. Can we convert? 1000 minus 1 will give us 999. This concept is clear. You understood that? Now, first number, as I said, we will keep 5, 4, 8, 7 as it is. Done? Till here it's very clear. We converted 999 into 1000 minus 1 and first number we have kept as it is. The next step is the entire number, we multiply it with 1000. So it's a simple 5, 4, 8, 7 times 1 is this and 3 zeros will come behind it. Clear? You don't have to by heart the table of 1000 to multiply it with 5487. Simply multiply 1 with this. So 5487 times 1 is 5487 and 000 will come as 000. Done? The next step is, as you see minus sign, I put a minus sign here. This entire set of number gets multiplied to 1. So 5487 times 1 is 5487. I write 5487. And I'm sure you must have seen my easy subtraction video. Same method we are going to use. We are going to cross it. We'll write it 6. We'll write 9, 9 and for the last 0 we write 10. So 10 minus 7 gives me 3, 9 minus 8 gives me 1, 9 minus 4 gives me 5, 6 minus 5 gives me 1 and 48 as it is and 5 here. So this is the answer. Clear? If you do it along with me, it is easy, you'll understand it. What I did, I multiplied the entire set of number with 1 and I placed 3 zeros after that. For this, you don't need to by heart table of 1000. Then it's a subtraction sign. I use subtraction sign. The same number again I multiplied with 1. So 5487 times 1 is 5487. Clear? Then we subtracted it. How we subtracted it? We use the easy method of subtraction. We strike 7000. We write 6, 9, 9 and for the last 0 we always write 10. So 10 minus 7 gives us 3, 9 minus 8 gives us 1, 9 minus 4 gives us 5, 6 minus 5 gives us 1 and 5, 4, 8 remains same and see, within a minute you can do these calculations and you can be rest assured about your answers. Alright, in case if you missed any step, we are doing another sum. So let's do it together. We have 4, 3, 2, 8 multiplied by 999. Now what we are going to do, as you know, the first number I'm going to keep as it is. I will not make any changes in the first number. The second number, 999, I convert it and put it in a bracket. I write 1000 minus 1. Why did I write 1000? Because I have 3-digit numbers, so 3 zeros and 1 before that. 1000 minus 1 gives me 999. Fine. Now what we are going to do? This entire number, the number which I have circled, we'll multiply it with 1000. Alright. If we multiply it with 1000, what do we get? Simple. 4328. 4328 times 1 is 4328 and 000 will come behind it. Clear? No need to multiply, no need to get worried. Now, 4328, once again we'll multiply with this one. So, what is our answer? Our answer is 4328. Clear? As you know, the easiest way of subtraction, we are going to apply that. This is 7, this is 9, this is 9 and this is 10. Done? Now 10 minus 8 gives me 2, 9 minus 2 gives me 7, 9 minus 3 gives me 6 and 7 minus 4 gives me 3 and I write 432 as it is. Here it is. Our answer is ready. Okay, now it's time to practice because only with the practice you will learn this method and you can unlearn the old method. Here we are with some practice sums. These practice sums are for you to try it out and post the answer in our comment box so that I can see it. You can also request for more sums for practice. Alright, so here we have 3928 multiplied by 999. Now, next number is 2768 multiplied by 999. Believe me, if you are practicing this within a minute, you can easily do these sums without being tensed, without getting worried and panic. So I have 7676 multiplied by 999. Alright children, I end the session today with this sum and I expect your answers in comment box. I'll meet you again. Happy learning till then. Take care. Bye-bye.